Hi everyone, this is Dom and welcome to my new drawing channel. Today, I will be drawing Lycanroc in his Dusk form from Pokemon. If it's your first time here and you're interested in drawing process videos of all things anime and cartoon, then you've come to the right place. So start now by subscribing to my channel and clicking that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I started my drawing by laying down some rough guidelines with a basic pencil, then filling in the details as we go along. I'll be drawing rough guidelines for the body so we have the proportions correct. Once we have that down, we can go into the details of the mane and the legs. Let's finish off the sketching process by drawing that big tail of his. Now it's time to relax, put on some music and carefully ink our drawing. I'll be using a Winsor & Newton fine liner. For the coloring process, I'll be using the famous Copic markers. These markers are alcohol-based, so it allows for easy blending. What I'll do is start by laying down my lightest tone and then building it up with darker colors. Then, I'll go back to my lighter tone and blend everything together. Let's do this same process for the remainder of our drawing. And there you have it, Lycanroc in his dusk form from Pokemon. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time everyone.